Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of commenting on a YouTube video. If you've ever wanted to share your thoughts, feedback, or engage with the community, this full guide is for you. To begin, make sure you have the official YouTube app downloaded from the Play Store. If you haven't done so already, go to the Play Store and in the search bar, type YouTube. Look for the app with a square red and white play button. Tap on it, then tap Install. Wait for the app to finish downloading, and once it's done, tap on Open to launch it. Once you have the YouTube app installed, sign in to your account. This step is mandatory to comment on videos and participate in the community. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're signed in, follow these steps to leave a comment. Step 1. Find a YouTube video you want to comment on. Step 2. Scroll down below the video and tap on Comments located below the channel's name. Step 3. In the Add a Comment input bar, write your comment. You can share your thoughts, ask questions, or interact with others. Step 4. Once you're done composing your comment, tap on the blue paper airplane icon to submit it. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully comment on a YouTube video and engage with the community. We encourage you to be respectful and constructive when leaving comments. Remember, YouTube is a platform for sharing ideas and fostering discussions. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.